This is the pistol's only challenge, where I can only use pistols and hand cannons. Okay, I landed a little far away from my landing spot. That's not good. Looks like Nitro Ram will have to do. Imagine getting killed by Nitro Ram. But now I need to find an actual pistol or hand cannon. I guess the game wants me to have another Nitro Ram kill. Map. One more. Does the vending machine have a weapon I can use? Nope. I found a pistol, and I found a second weapon.
Enemy spotted.
I found a better pistol. This here is a really good rotation strap. Fizz, then shockwave into a nitro hoop and go absolutely flying. I hear someone.
Enemy spotted.
Another one. Okay, let's delete this kid. Finally! How did he dodge that? Let's nitro him. Oh, he was one shot. Well, there is still the second kid. Or maybe not. I need to hide Oscar's shotgun. Dead. Crap, he has fists. That was surprisingly easy. Second-hand cannon, that's good. I'm going to make a sniper hand cannon, a AR pistol, and a shotgun hand cannon. Okay, now I can mod my other weapons. Okay, I have my AR pistol and sniper hand cannon now. Shotgun hand cannon, go! Where is he? Oh, the car's really low. No! Triage trooper! Where are you, lil buddy? He had Oscar's frenzy.